State's Exhibit 9 is admitted without objection.
State's Exhibit 9 is a disc. Can you tell us what is on that disc?
The initial 911 call that came in on the night in question.
And how do you know that call is on that disc?
I was able to listen to it, and I dated it and initialed on the 23rd of January.
Your Honor, at this time the state would move Exhibit 9 into evidence.
Already been admitted without objection.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Murdaugh on the line, caller from 4147 Moselle Road. He's advising that his wife and child was shot. Mr. Murdaugh, go ahead and talk to caller, please.
It's 4147 Moselle Road. I've been up to it now. It's bad.
How did they shoot? Did they shoot themselves?
Oh, no. Hell no.
Okay, and are they breathing?
No, ma'am.
Okay, and you said it's your wife and your son?
My wife and my son.
Are they in a vehicle?
No, ma'am. They're on the ground out at my kennel. I can tell that he shot in the head, and he shot really bad. He shot really bad.
The state has no further questions for this witness.
By the defense. Cross-examination.
Thank you for its indulgence. Just a couple of questions, Your Honor. So explain to me how this works. A call came into you in what county?
Hampton County.
Hampton County.
Correct.
And how, when you dial 911, how does it determine what county to send it to?
When you dial 911, the cell phone company picks up that it's a 911 call being placed. They hit the nearest cell phone tower, and based upon the location of that cell phone tower, is routed to the nearest PSAP, or public safety answering system.
Okay, so the nearest cell phone tower to Moselle would
Was
be?
Walterboro Highway Tower.
Okay, okay. And you're from Hampton?
I am.
That's not you on the phone, is it?
No, sir.
Okay. Do you know the Murdaughs, or do you know Alec Murdaugh and his family?
Not too much, yes. I mean, a little bit, but.
Okay. Thank you.
Anything further? You may step down. Thank you. I call your next witness.
Angela Stallings.
We are from The testimony about to give the court shall be the truth, so help you God.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. Take a seat. State your name again for the record. Spell your last name.
Angela Stallings, Stallings.
Hi, Captain Stallings.
Good afternoon.
Could you please tell the jury where you work?
I work at the Colleton County Sheriff's Office.
Okay. And how long have you worked there?
I have approximately 15 years with the Sheriff's Office.
What are some of your duties and responsibilities at the Sheriff's Office?
I am the Administrative Services Captain. I oversee the 911 Center. I'm over our Civil Process Division, Court Security, our School Resource Officers, our Sex Offender Registry Division, training, supply, and the hiring process, and records.
You have quite a lot of duties there.
Yes, ma'am.
In the course of your duties, do you keep records of 911 calls?
We do.
Can you explain to the jury what happens when a 911 call comes into Colleton County?
Yes, ma'am. So when a call comes into Colleton County, it hits our recorder system. As soon as the call connects to the recorder and starts ringing, our recorder automatically starts recording automatically. It starts recording before we even answer the phone.
And is a recording of all 911 calls that come into Colleton County Center kept?
Yes, ma'am, they are.
And how are those records kept?
They're kept on our server that is the Carolina recording software system that we use.
Who has access to those records?
Myself and one other employee.
Is it normal for y'all to have calls routed from Hampton County to Colleton County?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And why does that happen?
Depending on the location of the call within the county, we border several counties. Depending on if it's a cell phone that is calling 911, depending on the closest available cell tower, it will hit that tower. Wherever that tower is located, it routes to that PSAP.
All right. On June 7th of 2021, did Colleton County receive a transferred 911 call from Hampton County?
Yes, ma'am, we did.
And what time did that call come in?
May I look at my notes?
Yes.
That call came in at 22:07:09, which is 10:07:09 p.m.
And the notes you're referencing up there, is that some kind of report that's generated when the call comes in, or what are you looking at?
Yes, ma'am. This is a report that's generated through our recorder software.
Okay. So you received a call from 10:07 p.m.
Yes, ma'am.
Who was that call from?
Hampton County.
Okay. And who was the caller?
The caller was Alex Murdaugh.
I'm showing you State's Exhibit 11. Do you recognize State's Exhibit 11?
Yes, ma'am, I do.
What is it?
It is a disc of the 911 call.
And how do you know that?
It has my initials and date that I reviewed it.
And this is a true and accurate depiction of the 911 call made by Alex Murdaugh?
Yes, ma'am, it is.
Your Honor, at this time I've moved State's Exhibit 11 into evidence.
Okay, Your Honor.
Submitted without objection.
Thank you, Your Honor.
June. June 7th, 2021, 22 hours, 7 minutes, 9 seconds. Combination vacation. Okay, and sir, give me the address again. It's 4147 Moselle Road. I've been up to it now. It's fast. Okay. How did they shoot? Did they shoot themselves? Oh no, hell no. Okay, and are they bleeding? No, ma'am. Okay, and you said it's your wife and your son? My wife and my son. Are they in a vehicle? No, ma'am, they're on the ground out at my kennel. Okay, and did you see anyone? Shot in the head, and he shot really bad. He shot it. Okay, where is he shot at? Ma'am, I don't know, but he has blood everywhere. I see his brain. I started down a little bit. She's got a hole in her head. Okay, is he breathing at all? No, nobody. Is she? Okay, do you see anyone in the area? No, ma'am. No, ma'am. No. Is there any guns near them at all? No, they're just here. They probably the house on the outside. If that's what you're asking, they didn't shoot themselves, ma'am. What? Colors on house on the outside. It's white. You can't see it from the road. Okay, is it a house or a mobile home? It's a house. Okay, and what is your name? My name is Alex Murdaugh. Okay, did you hear anything, or did you come home and find out? Well, I've been gone. I just got back. Okay, and was anyone else supposed to be at your house? No, ma'am. We're getting somebody out there to you. Okay, so what is her name? Maggie is Paul. Maggie is her name? Yes, ma'am. Okay. When's the last time you talked to Maggie? Hour and a half ago, probably 2 hours ago. What? Okay, you said about 2 hours ago you talked to them? Approximately, yes, ma'am, approximately. Okay, did she say what they were doing at all? No, I talked to her in person. You talked to her in person? We're getting somebody out there to you. We asking you these questions, don't slow them down, okay? And you sure they're not breathing? Not particularly, really, no ma'am. Okay. Look, I know you're upset, Mr. Murdaugh, but I don't want you to get a gun and have a gun whenever my officers get there, okay? I will not do that. He's been being threatened by, my son had a boat that he's been being threatened for months and months and months. He's been hit several times, and he should family. Now, do you know who was threatening your son? It's too many people. Oh, son. One second. And you don't know the name of who was threatening him at all? My son knows. My son knows. Your son knows who was threatening him? I have another son now. Okay. All right, I'm going back down there.
And Captain Stallings, there's a break between parts in this call. Why is that?
The way our recorder system is set up, if there is a pause with either the call taker or the caller not talking, the recorder automatically cuts off. As soon as it starts to hear someone talking, it automatically kicks back on and starts recording.
June 7th, 2021, 22 hours, 13 minutes, 58 seconds.
Multiple people coming out there to you. Okay, can you do me a favor, Mr. Murdaugh, and turn on the flashers on your car so that way they can see where the kennels are? Do you have your flashers on for me, Mr. Murdaugh? Yeah. Okay. I don't want you to touch them at all, okay? I don't know if you've already touched them, but I don't want you to touch them just in case they get any kind of evidence, okay? I've already touched them trying to get to see if they were breathing. Okay. Well, I just don't want you to move anything just in case they can get any kind of evidence, okay? Yes, ma'am. He did? And what's your son's name? Paul. Paul? Ma'am, I want to call, I need to call some of my family. Okay. Well, do me a favor for me. Whenever you see the officer or the medics, because they're all coming to you, can you put your gun in your vehicle for me?
Thank you, Captain Stallings. The state has no further questions.
Yes, ma'am.